guys, this is Brett the Tech here, and in this video today, it's a quick warning video. I've started doing the tutorial for the new GreenPosi0n that just came out to jailbreak 4.2.1 untethered. Well, it seems to be broken. I'm fixing my iPhone right now. I'm just warning you, don't use it. Subscribe to my channel or follow my Twitter. I will tell you when it's safe, but right now it is not safe. It should be safe by tomorrow, but just to be safe, don't use it. Alright guys, thanks. This has been Brett the Tech, and I'm going to put the tutorial on now. Don't follow it because it doesn't work. I want to show you what happened. Alright guys, thanks. Peace. What's up guys, Brett the Tech here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak the latest firmware 4.2.1 untethered using the newly released GreenPosi0n. Now, this is for Mac only right now, and subscribe. I'm going to do a Windows tutorial. It should be out very soon. And they're thinking about implementing it into Red now. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is show you that I'm on 4.2.1. I'm going to go to Settings, and here it is, version 4.2.1. Alright, so let's go to the computer. So now, what you're going to want to do is download a program called GreenPosi0n. That's the website, GreenPosi0n. The link will be in the description. Download this, and you should get a window just like this. Now, what you're going to want to do is hit jailbreak, and it's going to run you through the steps to put it in DFU mode. So I'm going to hit jailbreak, and it says to hold the sleep button for 3 seconds, and then continue holding the sleep and the home for 10 seconds. And then once it's done with this, you're going to let go of the sleep button now and hold the home button for 10 seconds. And once it's done, your device is now in DFU mode and the jailbreak is going to run. It's jailbreaking. Ooh, I see lots of code. It says complete. So now on my iDevice, it should be doing something. Just give me 1 second here. I'll come back when it's done.